Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, I need you to go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. All right, you guys, so today's video, you already saw the title, and I'm really excited to show you guys my setup for the digital dash box. And I think you guys still have time to go ahead and get in on the next month. The subscription is a $9.99 a month fee, and I think you can pay for it monthly, or you can get like a small discount by paying for it for the whole entire year. And it's a digital subscription box, so everything you need for your planner, your particular planner, you can get in this box. And she even added the Hobonichi sizes this time, so I'm really excited about that. Not that I have one at the moment, but in the event that I do have one, I will have what I need for it. So in the subscription box, you do get your like your monthly insert, your weekly insert, whatever you want to call that. You'll get die cuts, you'll get bookmarks, you'll get inserts like dashboards, and all sorts of things that you can make into whatever you want to make into, and save them as save whatever ones you want, because once they're gone, they're gone. So this month is more of like the galactical, I don't even know if galactical is a thing, but the galaxy theme, and I am loving it. The Moonchild type feel, and I wasn't really sure if I was gonna love it, but once I started printing these out and I saw how the colors are mixing, oh my gosh, I loved it. All right, so I printed some different things off here. So I printed some dashboards off on just regular legal size, what did they call it, legal like photo paper. And they don't come in the thicker sizes, so I end up cutting these in half to put in dashboards inside of my plastic cover dashboards like this. But anyways, I print some off on vellum as well. Before, I was printing them off on the acetate. I just haven't found any we won't even call it acetate, whatever the papers that you use for overhead projecting. I haven't found any of those in the legal size, but I did find some vellum in the legal size. So if you've been looking for some, you can definitely check out my Amazon shop down below, and I have all of that stuff linked. So here are the ones that I printed out. She does have different skin tones, which I love, and these are the ones that kind of, I think I printed out pretty much all of them, but not all of them were able to make it into my planner. So I haven't really figured out how I want to put this in there, because when I printed it out on the vellum, it didn't really, not that it didn't really, but when I used the cut lines that were provided, it still wasn't as long as the plastic cover. So it doesn't fit the same size. You have a bit of a gap right there. So I haven't been able to put those on top of each other, and I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with them. But it does fit fine on the inserts you print out on your paper. So if you're just using paper and not using the dashboards, this is definitely a great way to protect your inserts from getting any sort of damage, and just adding a little decoration and all of that to it. Okay, so here's the first one. It says, "We are all made of stars," and she is so cute. Look at her hair. If y'all didn't know, at one point in time I did have gray hair. Not like my hair was graying, but I actually went and intentionally got gray braids, and this kind of gave me that whole feel again. I would love to have like purplish gray hair. That'd be so cute, and that makeup is bomb. And then we have the, let me put that over there. Then we have the MAC lipsticks with like the crystals in them. Like, y'all, did she do that or did she do it? Don't mind this. This is not a part, these little things. That's just my printer. When it got too hot from trying to print all of these at one time on this particular paper, it does get a little hot, so just be mindful of that. And then this one here with the hand, and then it's the Starbucks cup. Are you not here for it? Because I am. Oh, it's so cute. Then we just have like the little galaxy paper. Then the moons. I thought this would be cute just to like sit over something as a cover, but again, I can't stick it over the plastic, so whatever, there's that. And then I just printed out the moons and things to put into my dashboards. Now, what I did learn about these is that for the A5 size, you need to cut them in half. You shouldn't insert them like the way you would insert my like the B6s. I can just cut and stick down in there and it works fine, but these A5s, no. The best thing that you can do, well, the best thing I found to do, don't let me tell you how to run your life, but the best thing I found is cutting them in half. And so I printed out 2 of them, and you'll see when I get into the planner how I have it set up. Well, this one isn't a good example, is it? That's not a good example. Both of these have the moons on the back, but this one here has moons on the back as well. Okay, so that's not a good example either, but these are the moon ones. Is this a good, okay, this is a good example. So if I wanted it to come on the outside, I went ahead and printed out 2 of them. I'm laughing at myself. And that way I could have them both show from the front side and then the back side. So I would just cut it here, use this copy, and then cut this one and use this copy for the back. And that's just my way of having both of them be cohesive if I wanted them to or whatever. But I ended up not using this globe. Nothing's wrong with it. I just think I went with more of like the color themes and stuff like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into how I set up my planner. As you guys know, for the 1 planner challenge, I went ahead and switched into this tan, and it's like perfect for the springtime. I have my pink one that I actually ordered, and I ordered it from the Foxy Fix website. I can't wait for that one to get in, but this one is giving me life, and I had no idea it was gonna do that. I thought it was gonna be cute, but not as like super cute as it is. And then it came with purple straps, and so how fitting is this that it goes with the theme for this month. And I have some new bows I'm gonna put on here as well. But yeah, so let's get into it. Let's see, open it up. So here is what my planner looks like inside, and nothing over here is from the digital dash box. I think I printed out some die cuts and then I left them somewhere, and I just never reprinted them, so I don't know what I was thinking or what I was going through that I left them. But either way it goes, I'll probably like print off some more, because you can always take a lot of these pictures, size them down, and make them a die cut using some cardstock, and you can stick them in there. But she does have like designated die cuts already made for you in the file. So here's how I have mine for this month. I printed out this one. Y'all know nails are my thing. I feel like she's me and I am her. And holes in your pants, those are my things too. So I put this one here because it fit me so well, and I wanted to see it when I first opened up my planner. Like for real. And then inside of here has my insert for March. This does come in the subscription, and you can get one for every month that comes out, and for your style of planner. So if you have rings, you can get it for rings. If you have a 10, you can get it for your 10. And if you have what other one should she have? I think she even has like some happy planner inserts too. So I use this, and I struggle, I'm not gonna lie, I do struggle with printing these out, but I realized that no matter what, this just how the file is set up, that it just wasn't gonna print right. I tried forwards, backwards, printing out the odds and the evens. This one just didn't want to come out the right way that I needed it to, but I cover up the dates anyway, so I feel like it wasn't that big of a deal because I never leave those like open, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But I am considering getting another insert that I can use for like the whole entire quarter, instead of just going month to month, so that I don't have to keep like printing this out, or maybe printing out a bunch of these and just printing out the cover. I did foil this with some mint foil, which I like. And then I'm gonna go back in, and I have some stickers from the Simply Gilded box that she did, like kind of the Moonchild way. And I'm gonna add those stickers on here because I think that would be like really, really cute. So then the back side is just literally the same. I didn't really do a whole lot of extra stuff this time in here. I just kind of put them together, and I was waiting on that vellum and trying to add some different stuff. So here's the second one, and then I just added my name down here. Thanks Tarshell for my name. And then, so the first one has my, I'm sorry, I just kind of bleeped through that. So this is my weekly, and then this is my daily in here. And then this one is my budget planner. I have my budget planner right here. And then in the back, I have my cash envelopes. Then I have my online shopping log. So whatever I purchased, I have it logged in there, so I can see, you know, what days I did it, when they're supposed to come in, and all of that. And then this has the constellations on the back side here. And then on this side, I put that one there because I just thought they would look cute. And then again, I have this here. So cute, so cute. And I forget where I want to say that these stickers came from Scribble Prints Co. But I'm not 100,000% sure that that's where I got them from. But I'm almost like, I want to say that's where they came from, that they came from Scribble Prints Co, because she does have some out there. And there's just super cute little holographic ones I added. And this one is like my social media planner, so I have all that stuff going on in the back. And then I have like my planner thing, like to plan things out with. I love that a whole lot. And these are jump band. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me show you how it works. So I have a jump band in there, and that's because these two kind of go together. And just like the front one, I had that the same thing. And then back here, yeah, these are Scribble Prints Co. I was like, I know I ordered something like that. So back here is just that galactic looking, whatchamacallit, but if you look closely, ooh, I don't know what this looks like, a Furby. But there's like a Furby right here, and then I added the bow from Scribble Prints Co. and then these little like moons and stuff. I thought it was cute when I was doing it, but I wish I would have like faded this out a little more so you could see this, and that would have been like really cute. So I don't know, I'm thinking about switching that out and doing something different. But this is just my notebook that I have in the back, and I literally just put the papers in there. I printed it off twice and stuck it in there because this one is a secretarial pocket. These ones are a little bit more expensive from Foxy Fix because she only sells them, or they only sell them in a 1-pack, and 1407 sells them in a double pack. So, I mean, if you're looking for some that are a little bit more affordable, you can always make your own. I did have some that I made on my own, but then I also grabbed these, and like I was waiting on these to come in, so I made my own in the meantime. But yeah, that's what my planner looks like with the stuff I got from the digital dash box this month. Let me know how you guys like it, and if you've set up your planner and all of that jazz with your digital dash box. Are you even using it? Did you cancel it? Let me know. I think it's good that we give her feedback on everything and let her know, you know, what's working, what isn't working, because this subscription box is definitely for the one that wants to like DIY everything and just do something different every month. It brings out my creative juices for the most part. I feel like, or it just lets me just kind of switch up the game whenever I need to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the digital dash box. It'll be linked down below, and make sure you tell her that I sent you, okay? And I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!